Welcome back to my channel TechGetter Official. In today's video, we will learn how to fix the keyboard not working issue in Windows 10. Let's get started. First, we will update or reinstall the keyboard driver. Right-click on the Start menu, then select Device Manager. Click on the keyboard option, then select your keyboard name. After that, click on Driver, and then click on Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. If it shows the best drivers for your device are already installed, just close it. Now, click on Uninstall Device, and again click on Uninstall to confirm. Restart your PC after this. Alternatively, if you don't want to restart, click on Action at the top of Device Manager, then select Scan for hardware changes. Windows will automatically reinstall the keyboard driver. If this method doesn't work, try the second method. Go to the search bar, type Settings, and click on it. Then click on Ease of Access, select the keyboard option, turn on filter keys, and turn off other unnecessary options if they are enabled. Now your keyboard should work properly. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, like this video, share it, and subscribe to TechGetter Official.